First,
继续扩大市
China
场
will
开放。
continue to open up its market.
中国有近14亿
China
人
has
口，
a population of 1.4
中
billion.
等收入群
Its
体
middle
规
income
模
population
全球最
is
大
the，biggest in the world.
市场
The
规模
huge Chinese
巨大
market points
潜
to a
力
potential
巨大，
that is simply
前景不可
unlimited.
限量。中国老百姓
The
有一句
Chinese
话
people often say
叫做“世界这
the
么大，
world is a big
我
place
想去看
and I
看”。
want to see just more of it.
在这里，我要说，
What I want to say to you
中国
today
市场
is that the
这么
Chinese
大，
market is such
欢
a
迎
big
大
one
家
that you should
都来
all
看看。
come and see what it has to offer.
中国将增
China
强
will
国内消费，
better leverage the
对
fundamental
经济发
role
展
of
的基础
domestic
性作用。
consumption in economic development
积极建设更加
and
活跃
foster
的
a more
国内
robust
市场，
domestic market
为中国经济发展提供
in order
支
to
撑，
boost growth at home
为世界
and
经济
create
增
more
长
room
扩
for
大
global
空
growth.
间。中国将更加重视
China
进
will
口
give
的作用，
greater importance to import.
进一步降
We will
低
continue to
关
lower
税
tariffs
和制度
and
性成本，
institutional transaction costs.
培育一
We will
批
develop demonstration
进
zones
口贸易
to promote
促进
import
创新
trade by
示范区，
creative means.
扩大对各
And we
国
will
高质
import
量
more
产品
high-quality
和
goods and
服务的进
services
口。
from around the world.
中国将
We
推
will
动
take steps to promote
进口
balanced development
出口
of both imports and exports,
货物贸易
of trade in goods
和服务贸易、
and in services,
双边贸易
of two-way trade
和双
and
向投
investment.
资、贸易和产业
and of
协
trade
调发
and
展，
industry.
促进
This way,
国际
we will
国内
ensure a free yet
要素
orderly flow of
有
both
序
international
自由
and
流动
domestic factors of production,
资源高效配
improve the
置、
efficient allocation of
市
resources,
场
and deepen
深度
integration of markets.